Assalamualaikum, good day. This time I would like to discuss on how to integrate exponents. Okay, before that, we have to bear in mind exponential functions is something that come in the form of a letter E with a certain function on top as the power. Okay, this is one kind of exponent. We must also bear in mind that this kind of function also is exponential function. Why is that so? Because if you take this exponent and you put it in the calculator, okay, you try by yourself, grab a calculator and find e to the power of 1 is equals 2.7 something. Okay, 2.7 something lah, while 3 is 3 lah. Okay, now what I want to say is that 2.7 is a constant. Okay, so does 3. So that is the definition of exponential function, whereby you have a constant with a certain variable as the power. As you can see in both cases, there are fx. Okay, so I can rub that off to write the formula of exponential function integration. So how to integrate it? If you have exponential function, okay, whereby the power is linear function, okay, this formula, remember, it's more or less like the bracket power form. The content of the bracket, or in this case the power, must be linear. Linear means the power of x here is 1. Okay, so what happened is copy paste the exponent, okay, with the power and all, and then we divide by taking the natural log of the base. What base is? Base is, in this case, is the e. Okay, if you kind of confused how to get the base, is the constant that has the power of the linear function that we are talking about. In this case, this one. And don't forget to differentiate the power. Okay, the power, and of course plus c, since it's indefinite. Okay, you might want to take some time to digest the idea. Okay, so I might as well continue with the first example. Now, this one is simply put 5 outside, e3x in terms of x. So 5 bracket exponent 3x over taking the natural log of exponent and differentiate the power, okay, plus c. Okay, and then 5, what we have is e 3x, ln e is 1, okay, 3x in terms of x is 3, so plus c. Okay, so it's 5 over 3 exponent to the power of 3x plus c. Okay, let's move on to the second example. Okay, in this case, as you can see, the base is 3 as opposed to the first example, it's e. So as I told you before, the base are constant. Okay, if it's written as e also, it's a constant. If written as 3 also, it's a constant as the base. Okay, so both are exponential function. So we might as well continue. So copy paste everything. Don't forget to divide by the natural log of the base. This is the base, this is the base. Okay, then differentiate the power. Okay, plus c. Okay, now just tidy the numerator. Now ln 3 is ln 3. Okay, you don't have to use a calculator and find the decimal value and all, okay, because it will get messy. Now we multiply ln 3 by the differentiation of x over 2 in terms of x. So x over 2 in terms of x is just simply half. Okay, so remember, this time you are not multiplying the 3 by half, you are multiplying ln 3 by half. Okay, so just to be safe, put brackets. Yeah, so in this case, okay, we know if something divided by 1 over 2 is just 2 over, we can just bring over the 2 in front of the numerator. Okay, so 2, okay, 2 over ln 3, okay, multiply 3 power x over 2 plus c. Okay, maybe just repair my 2. Perfect. Okay, so that's example B. Let's move on to example C. Okay, as you can see over there, the exponent is down there. We just bring it up. So 2e to the power of minus 6x dx. Okay, now so we don't want to get confused. We bring 2 outside. Okay, and then e minus 6x dx. Now we can do our integration in piece. So e, we just copy paste. Okay, remember in exponent, the power doesn't be after integration, the power does not add by 1. Okay, so we just taking the natural log of exponent. Okay, and then the differentiation of my power, which is minus 6x, and then plus c, okay, equals, so 2 exponent minus 6x over ln e is 1, okay, multiply by 6 over 3 pula, minus 6 lah, correct. Okay, plus c. Now you see the 2 on top and the 6 down there, we can cancel each other out by dividing each term by the same factor, which is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Therefore, what's left is minus 1 over 3 exponent minus 6x plus c. Okay, now let's move on to the last example. Now, as we can see here, the fraction is quite horrible because there are 2 terms in the numerator. Okay, so we cannot integrate it right away if this is the case, if this is the form. So what we can do is split them into 2 different tiny fractions. So 3 over e to the power of ex plus ex e to x. Okay, dx. This is only applies when the denominator is 1 term. Okay, if you have something like 3 over e to x plus ex, okay, it is not equal to 3 over e to x plus 3 over ex. Okay, if you better die first before you write this insolence. Okay, so I rub that off, that forbidden being. Now okay, since the e's are in the denominator, it's not nice, we bring all of them up. Okay, so 3e minus 2x, okay, plus ex e minus 2x dx. Okay, now for the first one, or maybe it's better if we apply the integration separately. Okay, so integrate 3e minus 2x dx plus integrate. Now this one, they are having the same base with different powers. So what we can do, we can just add the power together. So x plus minus 2x is simply ex minus 2x dx. So you see here, 3 can put outside, e minus 2x dx. Okay, while this one is e minus x dx. Okay, then we can integrate in piece. So 3 e minus 2x, okay, ln e, the ln e is 1, differentiate, minus 2x is minus 2. Okay, close them, plus e minus x divided by ln e is 1, the minus 1, differentiation of minus x plus c. Now we can, that's a minus, that's a multiply. So minus 3 over 2 e minus 2x, and then minus e minus x plus c. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Good day.